down towards number 4.
Yes, this seems like
Want to get
difficult
going?
spot here.
Sure.
Yep,
Just
move to.
go in 10-meter moves, Jeff, and
Okay.
then you can call in 10 now, and then like if I start lagging behind, just let him wait.
Okay. Bridge nav, 10 meters at 180. Ten-meter moves.
We're going to do a launch change here. So new team taking over. And we'll keep answering questions and check in with you along the way. So keep sending your questions in.
Who turned that on today? That's why we check. So
Bridge, I'll stop, please. I'll stop.
it's just
Or are
buried.
we
Okay.
searching for?
There are many bubble streams
Okay,
all
put that
over.
back.
Kind of
Rude.
mean. Yeah.
Is that
Matte part
form?
up there.
Matt?
Is that
There's
it?
bubbles
Yeah,
right
Yeah.
there. A way of just like turning into them, huh?
Yep.
So we can mark that as
I
a
think
little
I'm marking
seep.
that one. Oh, yeah.
Can you the name like bubbles 2 or 3 or whatever? I think it's the third one we see now.
Oh, nope, it's still going.
Yep.
Yep.
Quick, get the gas
So
tank.
maybe we should.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh, it's active now.
Gas type, anyone?
Yeah, I think so. Let's sit down and see if it's still
If it
going.
keeps going.
Again, right in the puka, right? Carbonate all around.
Mhm.
Moving out. It's fine. There's still bubbles.
Yeah.
It will still take some time, but yeah.
Oh, it's like last time.
No.
No.
This is actually the same place.
Yeah.
We've been going around in circles.
Start again.
Really?
It senses our presence.
That's a little frustrating.
Yeah.
Hmm. Does look exactly like the other spot.
It does.
Or it's been a long watch because just
Yep.
a little crevice, a little opening for the seep.
Oh.
Smells are
Yeah.
decorated with the raspinaster.
Yeah.
Please
Show
stare.
me the front porch while we're sitting here. Do you want to stop the ship for a minute, guys, and just go
Roger.
down slowly, or do you want, I can just shoot ahead and catch up, but might miss some things.
Go down slowly, I think.
Yeah, stop the ship, Jeff.
Bridge, nav, I'll stop, please. I'll stop.
Just poke around here and see what we see.
Yeah,
Looks
just
like a lot of the little holes.
yeah, could be very active at times. Yeah, with all the little little holes and bacterial mats around them. We have some shell fragments, but
A little partial zoom there, Tammy.
Yeah, it looks like some more bacterial.
Good.
Little mat, little shell hash. No bubbles. This is a good patch though. I mean, like
Yeah.
more mat than we've seen.
Just come wide, Tammy.
I think it's worth to put the nav target here.
Yeah.
Yeah, in case
Yep.
we wanted to come back to sample. We don't have that many opportunities so far, so
Right.
yeah. Yeah.
Hesitant to put that down as a bubble stream because
Yeah,
we made it.
I wouldn't put that down,
No,
but Matt.
but bacterial
I got the
mat would be
bacteria.
good.
I've got that marked.
Oh yes, thank you. I
Yeah.
see it. Not that we would be able to core it, but
No, I know. Jumble of rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guarded by a lingcod. Just this. Two lingcod just watching. Yeah, for viewers checking out those new features on the website, if you want to click the more data, that'll take you to a Grafana, we're calling our Grafana database. You can see some sensors from the vehicles. There's not an active data loggers log there, but you can see that on the homepage with the latest observations coming from our data logger. So a couple different options, but available to you and new this year.
Is the ship still on a move, or are we?
We are still 110 meters in this vessel move
Okay.
remaining.
That's a very
That-
orange mat, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to zoom in, Tammy? I'm going to run it over.
Is it?
That's this thrust wash.
Yeah, yeah.
Stopped
Okay.
also when we left, if I remember correctly. I
did.
thought it was an intermittent one.
Yeah.
The
Oh.
one at waypoint.
Yeah, let's go along the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's at we're at 190 bearing from here.
Roger. Okay, Randy, coming down.
Roger.
Bridge nav, 200 meters at 185.
Yeah, now between waypoint 1 and waypoint 4, we also spotted a few less bright rooms this morning in the survey. So
Well, maybe they'll be bright now.
they might, yeah.
For viewers, we do know that we're experiencing channel 1 video issues, but you have a couple options. You can check out channel 2, which is the Argus view, or channel 3 and look at the quad view, which is similar to what we're looking at in here. In the quad view in the lower left, you can see a view inside the control van. Everyone can wave over there. It's this camera. Hi, everyone. We're working on getting that resolved. Channel 2 actually has the best fish view consistently. So if you want to watch along with that one, you're seeing some, we think, yellowtail rockfish. They can get to be about 2 feet long, 50 years old. Lay between 50 and 600,000 eggs in a batch, depending on the size of the female. Common fishery target, common omnivorous predator in the area. It's not really omnivorous, I mean, multi-target predator.
Sorry, I wasn't on. It looks like a little mat in there. If we're able to do a zoom in this area, that would be nice.
Yeah, second. Go ahead, Tammy, just do a partial one. Anything in particular?
Off to the left. Wondering what all of the reflectives, white stuff on the rocks
This stuff?
are. Yeah.
Go in tighter there, Tammy.
Carbonate just exposed.
It looks more like, I think it's something on it.
Oh, something encrusting.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might be just encrusting.
The fish
There's a fish in there, yeah.
That's amazing.
You don't see me. All right, well.
All right. Come wide.
Big carbonate or big rock.
Yeah, it's a pretty big rock for what we've seen out
Yeah.
here. That might be the most relief we've got.
I think so.
Jump on top.
Looks pretty rounded.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
Big boulder.
That's awesome. And the happiest anemone sitting on the side.
King of the world.
Randy, I'm going to go all the way around and
So
go back to having a
good filter
negative
feeding
half
spot.
turn.
It's a
Right,
very good
Roger.
filter feeding
Gotcha.
spot, yeah.
It's probably why the cukes are on there too.
Catching all the sediment that stumbles up. So would we imagine this is left behind by a glacier?
Could be a good starting point.
Okay.
See what this looks like.
Ooh,
Don't-
that was the rock.
Do you think these are the vermilion sea stars? They seem pretty big, but
Yeah, they're a lot smaller when they come up because we collected 2 the other day and
yeah.
they were
Christopher Ma, help us if you're watching.
maybe 10 centimeters.
Yeah,
Like that?
maybe.
Yeah, I just looked at the back deck cam. There are a lot of birds out there.
There's a lot.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
a lot.
You have quite the following. Feathered
They're,
friends.
they're all saying, when are you bringing the fish up?
Yes, we
Mhm.
know they're just under.
The answer is never.
Yeah.
Gonna be disappointed.
The big yellow robot pops up instead. Yeah.
Have you ever had a bird try to land on Argus or Herc when it came to
Yeah.
the surface?
Definitely. Yeah, mostly just, as we kind of like splash around, they get confused and kind of like startle away. But yeah, I don't.
Thought what we left at waypoint 8 was small.
Okay, come wide. That might not be it. We can pull around a bit more.
Mike's being an optimist this morning. I like it.
I've drifted up some. Well, it says it's right here.
It's lying.
I see a huge return in orbit here. 14
Yeah, let's
meters.
follow that. I think
That
that's
is pretty
might
big
be a
one.
rock.
Or-
Yeah, that's a rock. See the big shadow behind it?
Yeah, gotcha.
You think we're gonna have to come up into the water column to...
Mm-hmm.
You want a vessel all stop?
Sure, it.
Bridge nav, all stop, please, all stop.
Okay, Randy coming up.
All right, coming up.
The wind has been all over the place.
It has been. Yeah.
Okay. All right, Randy, when we're doing that, just watch
Yeah.
our delta, right? You're
Yeah.
coming up too fast.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, get us back down to like
17.
something like that, yeah.
Yeah.
Then we'll have a look at this sonar. How far are we away from it now, Jeff?
About 5 meters off the target.
Roger. Nicole, what's that orbit range at right now?
Still 25. Do you want me to decrease
you
it?
could put it down to 15, but it should still hit it anyway.
Just have to.
So we're up the bottom using the sonar to look out for bubbles.
That'll be
Yep.
10. Let me put it to 15. There we go. That's 15.
Roger.
While we scan, Jeff, you want to explain why we can see a bubble with the sonar?
Yeah, well, the sonar reflects off of things with density contrasts. So bubbles have gas, and they're just floating through the fluid, the water. So the density difference between the gases and the fluid are high enough that they have a really strong reflection on them.
Right now, I think what we're seeing are fish.
Yeah, they look just like fish.
Definitely
funny.
curious about Hercules.
You can see at the same time, like I can look at the Norbit and I can see them actually swimming in my periphery,
Yeah.
and it's the same. Like the
Oh,
the
God.
sonar targets are like moving the same.
In comes a big one, stares right down the
sea
camera.
life is conspiring against us finding bubbles, but
The Norbit's also good at fish finding.
yes,
It is.
a very expensive fish finder.
Very expensive.
Which I feel like our fans are like, yes, a fish finder. That's what we want to see.
Well, what do you suggest tomorrow? Are we gonna just explore towards 4? Go like finish out the southern range?
I think so, yes.
Yeah. And then we'll come back north and maybe those will be active on the
Yeah.
next watch.
I think it's a lot about the timing here.
Yeah.
If you're lucky, then yeah. Yeah.
Where do
I
you-
don't know. Yeah.
Yeah. Gifts?
Gifts.
I
Gifs.
call them GIFs.
I
Was
call them
GIFs or GIFs, right?
hey, look at you. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh.
Skate.
Very stealthy. We can't see you.
So here's all the stuff leading into that waypoint, I think, kind of.
No bubbles, but I'm wondering if we should zoom into that little patch there.
Go ahead, Tammy. This one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a trick patch.
Yeah, there's not really much going on in there, is there?
No.
Some tube worms off on that carbonate, little guys.
Oh, yeah, little one.
I think. Yeah.
Yeah, that looks like tube worms.
Well, all right.
Okay.
We're still a little ways from waypoint 1.
Yeah, we're not there yet.
8 meters. Bridge nav, 10 meters, 180.
That's it there, I guess.
Yep.
Most likely thing I've seen so far. Zoom in there a bit, Tammy.
I'm just totally creeping for the viewers at home. What are you checking out there?
I was just wondering, sometimes they're connected with tidal cycles also, and we have made the experience that they're
Scroll
a
the
little
sky
bit
a
more
bit.
active in the rising tide, and that would have been this morning, but we are just now reaching the high point of tide, and then it's going down again. So
In the rising tide, like the increasing tide is squishing them
yeah.
out of the water. Out?
Exactly, that's just the observation we made with the pressure change.
Exploration, it really does.
Yeah,
It's
that's
all
true.
been shell hash.
Yeah.
I don't know if it was this watch yesterday, but in sorting the captures, there's a picture where the suction hose is reaching out for a clam and the siphon is clearly open, and then the next photo, the siphon is closed. You know, you're like, oh no, we're coming.
It was like,
And now they are in the -80.
I don't think it's this watch, or you would have just seen blue water.
yeah, it was the watch, the 12 to 4 watch where we saw it. Yeah.
Sorry, let me just turn that knife a little. Did you see the clam, Mike? It was super cool, Mike.
No, I missed that one.
It's a cool chimera, though.
Are you in a better spot with the vessel now? Or do you want to?
Like my computer will be like giggling or like being
Yes,
like, wow!
I've done that before. And
Well, it's true.
very
Usually,
eerie.
yeah, that will cue you, right,
Mhm.
to look at the screen.
Yeah, we're noisy when it's cool, so yeah.
Everybody knew about the hydrate yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's lots of the little like the depression, little holes around.
Guarded over by a lingcod dragon.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those. They've been bubbling recently.
Yep.
kind of a different stripy rockfish. That was cool. Polka dots,
Oh, yeah.
that one.
So this is on HiPAC as old pick 5. So there was something imaged here.
Do you know when they say old, was that like the last time we surveyed, which was just earlier this week?
No, I don't think that's
Can
maybe
you
an
stop,
old pick.
can you stop the ship there, Jeff?
These
Because I
ones are
want to
from
go
previous years.
slow, but
I'll stop, please. Bridge nav, I'll stop.
let me
Thank you.
catch up with them.
Yeah, so
Yeah, I
the
think
old
that-
pigs are older than just us. They're
Okay.
from previous surveys in other years.
But there were seeps imaged, the same number of seeps.
Thank you.
Thanks to our fans and followers.
I think so.
We'll keep our eyes open.
All right. It's too bad.
Yeah, it looked so promising.
It's a nice site, too.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, I can
All right, we'll
move the ship at
we'll
your
give it-
leisure there, Jeff.
Yes. Bridge nav, 40 meters at 162.
I was waiting for us to just turn and then the bubbles to start again.
Lift off.
Quick, Mike, turn back.
Yeah.
Camera shy bubbles.
Yeah, we had all this, yes.
I bet they are going, watch. No.
No, okay.
It wouldn't surprise me.
Yeah.
QT.
You want to stop?
Yeah, let's
Yeah, that's a
stop.
good one.
Yeah.
Stop ship. Yeah.
Vessel, I'll stop.
Probably worth going for that one.
So we are just going to set it up
Thank
and
you.
hand it over now. This is a cool little site.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a happy little rockfish.
What's
Even
it
some
near?
shells.
I guess it's near
An old one.
an old pick. Yeah.
Lingcod. Like you were saying, Shannon, as soon as we got some of that rugosity, some of that little rubbly blocks, here come the lingcod.
Yeah.
They're not dummies. They know where they want to be.
Exactly.
Yeah, that one's going pretty well.
Yeah.
What would you like to do?
I'm wondering if we should just sample right away. I'm worried that it's
That it'll
only
turn off.
going right now. And yeah.
Can you move the ship 10 meters to the north and get
Yeah.
Argus on the right side of us here?
Taking the opportunity, I guess.
Bridge nav, 10 meters on 000.
It's incredible. It's coming right out of that little
Yeah,
puka
like
in the
a
carbonate,
tiny,
right?
tiny-
You're like, okay, we
Tiny
know.
carbonate chimney.
Yeah, exactly. Bubbles equals rock. Very visible.
No, it's coming from the hole. I thought it's coming from the little tower
yeah.
there.
Okay.
For the viewers writing in, thanks for letting us know. We are aware that Channel 1 is having some trouble on the website. You can watch on Channel 2 or on
Mara's as well.
Yeah.
We're speaking the same language.
Yeah.
Yeah, we might move on.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Well, we know it's here.
Yeah,
We
we can
have
put the
some-
target, and
I put a target down.
if we
Yeah.
get desperate, we come back. It's probably one of those, exactly. Then it goes maybe for 10 seconds, and then we wait 10 minutes, which, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's going to take a really long time to do the gas tight if
Oh
it does
gosh,
that.
you know, I think Mike and I had some experience with this
Yeah.
taking a really long time
Yeah.
until the gas
I
tank
can
is
remember
full.
one in particular, we were like
Yes.
all night, 4 hours, 3 hours, filling up the funnel or something.
When I tell the
Yeah,
story.
just leave it there and go
Yeah.
do other things.
Right. Yeah, there's very small patches of bacterial mats sitting next to the carbonates. It could be that at some time in the day there's a bubble shrimp active there. Yeah.
But that, no, she's going.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I got to catch up with Argus here. Catch that. So we're off. Well, not really. We'll go south from there, right?
Yeah, we're 60 meters away at 2.
Ship.
Almost looks like they're like depressions.
Yeah, there are little divots in the seafloor. I would guess those would be areas where fluid seeped out at some point.
Yeah.
Yeah, this looks, if we do a little zoom in here.
Yeah, go ahead, Tammy. It's good.
Some fragments.
That little carbonate, yeah?
Yeah, there's something else right around here. Just more. Let's come full wide for a minute. Okay, just go in again like halfway. Yeah, that's good. There's a little
Is that
bubble.
bubbles?
Yeah,
Yeah,
pretty
right
useless,
there.
but it's not.
Well.
2 bubbles came out.
Nice eyes, nice spotting.
It's just about above where the gastite is sticking out.
Yeah.
Wow.
Take a gas sample there. We'll
Let's just get set up in
Next.
Susan's
Set up
entire watch.
Yeah, hand it over. Have fun, team.
There's no bubbles now,
That would be
right?
a
No,
new
I
one.
don't see
there-
any now, but
there-
like a few came out.
There have been 3 bubbles.
You could take a bush core and then just let the bubbles come out that way. Yeah.
Sometimes these shallow seeps just seem much more diffuse. Like there's, in the mapping data, we saw what, like 25 or some, but I think it's just like a couple bubbles coming out of everywhere.
That's right. Yeah, that's right. Actually, if you look at this whole little line of them that we have here on the map, yeah, probably you're right.
And then the fact that we see all these little divots.
Yeah.
It's going to be tough to sample.
Yes.
We'll hope to find something a little bit more lively.
Want to come full wide there? Do you want to sniff around and look for more?
Yeah, let's I think look around a little bit.
And afterwards we can also check out waypoint 1, see
Yeah.
if there's more. But it might probably looking the same.
Oh. So it does teach you about the differences in the, because you know you're looking at latitudinal gradients, but also depth gradients, and seems like a pattern now in these shallow ones.
So will we run south from here?
Yeah,
Like
waypoint
how
1
we
is
thought
2.
this area might be more rubble filled. That's why we were strategic with trying the
Waypoint
course.
1 is at a 138
And
head.
it's still
Yeah,
pretty
just
flat.
go down there slowly at like 0.3. Like I just zigzag around down
Right.
down there.
Bridge nav. 60 meters at 147. Okay, we'll mosey down towards waypoint 1.
Well, we're back.
Okay, waypoint 2.
Here we are.
No signs of seep per se, but
How far are we from waypoint 2?
yeah, we're a little bit away from it.
Yeah, we're 15 meters in front of us. It's waypoint 2.
And that rubbly.
Do we need to move the vessel? We're pretty...
I think I can hit those with the sonar, like if I go over the waypoint 2 target.
Okay.
Got even quieter.
I'll just hold this. What's the
Sonar.
range now, Jeff?
Well, we're sitting on top of waypoint 2.
Yeah,
And
to
to these
those
old
picks.
picks are 15 and 18, 17 meters in front of us.
Okay, I'll just fix the more eastern one.
There's something that just came up at 6 meters, but yeah, 6 meters. It's probably a fish because it's, I don't know, that one at 6 meters keeps showing up. What do you think?
Far away from me. Is 6 meters the second line down?
It's the
Third line here.
third line
one.
down.
Okay.
I saw it around.
And now it's between 4 and 6. Had looked like there's something there, but not anymore.
This other one here.
So waypoint 1, just for reference right now, waypoint 1 is 60 meters away. We're thinking of going there next, but still search around right now.
Yeah, I think you're yanking me around, Mike.
Yeah, just turn your auto heading off. Just flip around for a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, put it back on. See if we're getting anything on the sonar from here.
I guess I would say if we don't see anything up, we should still just go see if there are bacterial mats and signs
Yeah.
of seeps.
Yeah.
The other one
Makes
was pretty
sense.
intermittent. Like we were lucky to catch it on,
That's
I think.
right. Yeah.
And have a couple people confirm that we weren't just hallucinating.
No, we saw it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll back off waypoint 2 and then we'll come down and kind of ground truth some of these.
That sounds good.
Roger.
We can always try a core again.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Mike, your tether wrap is at almost 1.
Coming around here now.
Coming around is good.
Wind's picked up a little bit again. But
Okay, Randy, you can bring your heading back around.
Roger.
Bring it to about 90 degrees.
Roger.
And then maybe give us a, I don't know what that is, 10 or 20 meter move to get us into
Roger.
to waypoint 2, maybe 10 meters closer to that.
Roger.
Yep.
How's our DV at? We're looking okay.
You want to fix it?
Yeah, let's do a reset.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Jeff, looks like 8.2 magnitude.
8.2.
28.5 miles, intermediate deep, intermediate depth.
Intermediate.